Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate bathroom comfort and hygiene with the top 5 best bidet toilet seats. Bidets aren't just a luxury. They're a game changer for personal cleanliness, comfort, and even eco-friendliness. From adjustable warm water sprays and heated seats to self-cleaning nozzles and air dryers, these seats transform your daily routine into a spa-like experience. Links to all products are in the description. Starting off at number 5, the Tushy Aura. With instant warm water, adjustable water, and seat temperatures, a warm air dryer, and an automatic lid, it delivers a complete bathroom upgrade. Its sleek design fits most elongated toilets, and the intuitive remote makes daily adjustments effortless. Consumers love its ease of use and spa-like comfort, while experts praise its reliable performance and thoughtful features. If you're looking for a high-quality modern bidet experience without overcomplicating things, the Tushy Aura is a strong choice. This seat proves that personal hygiene can be comfortable, customizable, and luxurious. At number 4, we have the Coway Bidetmega 400S. It features instant heated water, multi-stage cleaning technology, adjustable warm air dryer, and a UV cleaning light for enhanced sanitation. The soft, close lid and heated seats add comfort, while the included remote allows easy control over water pressure, temperature, and spray mode. Experts highlight its advanced cleaning performance and users love its smooth operation and reliable build. Whether it's the iWave spray technology or the thoughtful hygiene features, this bidet seat offers a premium spa-like experience right at home, ideal for anyone seeking comfort, performance, and cutting-edge hygiene. At number 3, it's the Bio Bidet BB2000. This seat offers adjustable warm water, a heated seat, multiple spray modes, a warm air dryer, deodorizer, nightlight, and a stainless steel nozzle for thorough cleanliness. Its wireless remote makes operation simple, and installation is straightforward with standard bathroom connections. Experts praise its combination of comfort and advanced features, and users consistently report feeling pampered and refreshed. If you want a bidet that provides both everyday convenience and premium spa-like hygiene, the BB2000 delivers with style and reliability. Runner-up at number 2 is the Toto Washlet C5. With premise and e-water plus self-cleaning technology, warm water spray, warm air dryer, deodorizer, and customizable user settings, it's built for comfort and reliability. The soft close heated seat adds to the luxurious feel, while 2 user presets make daily use effortless. Experts recommend it for anyone seeking a consistent, high-quality experience backed by Toto's decades of expertise. This seat offers both premium hygiene and convenience, transforming your bathroom routine into a refreshed, spa-like experience every day. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Alpha Bidet JX2. This model excels with endless warm water, tankless heating, adjustable air dryer, LED nightlight, and stainless steel self-cleaning nozzle. Its wireless remote ensures complete control at your fingertips, and installation is easy. Expert reviews consistently highlight its combination of comfort, hygiene, and value, while users love the spa-like experience it provides daily. If you want a luxurious, reliable, and fully featured bidet seat, the Alpha Bidet JX2 is the ultimate choice to upgrade your bathroom routine. That's it for our list of the top 5 best bidet toilet seats. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below.